Good morning. Welcome back to the Oasis. This morning we've got a few things we got to get accomplished. We got to finish laying out the forms for the deck, for the foundation for the deck. Got a little bit of work to do on the foundation for the greenhouse. Got some cleanup and organization to do, miscellaneous things. Done quite a bit yesterday. It was pretty busy. This is July 19th, 2020, and this is my last day here for about 2 weeks. I won't be back up to the Oasis. Just one of those things. There's not really all that much I can do about it. Next week I'll be taking my course to get my hunting license, so I won't be able to come up here to the Oasis and spend some time. But in the meantime, what I'll do is I'll work hard to get the videos all up. I'm way behind in posting the videos again. Life gets in the way. Always does. So it's been real busy here at the Oasis. We've got lots of stuff happening. We said we accomplished quite a bit yesterday, and we'll accomplish quite a bit more today and get everything set up the way it's supposed to be. Okay, well, let's give a little walkthrough on what we accomplished, and without much further ado, let's take a look at that. Okay, well, let's walk on up over this way and see what we got. Bright sunny day. After lots and lots of cloudy days up here, we've got a very bright sunny day today. So what do we got? This is what we accomplished yesterday. We'd already dug the first 3 holes. Got the last 3, 2 and very large hole is what's accomplished here. These are the foundation holes for the deck, and look at those giant piles of dirt. Enough bloody rocks to build ourselves a rock wall. You know, those are the rocks that were dug up. You know, looks like a riverbed or a glacial deposit of some sort. It's just insane. We got the wood laid out for the foundation for the greenhouse. We got to dig a trench here along the header, and then we've got to do the sides. We got to level it, fill it in, backfill it, mount it, get it secured. One key thing on this greenhouse, after the research I'd done, is that if you do not build it perfectly square, one good wind and it's going to blow apart. So keep that in mind when you're building a kit greenhouse. Make sure you take your time with your foundation and security. So we got a little bit more to do back this way. We've got these poles we're going to plant, dig some holes, build the arbor we're going to build. Spider webs everywhere. Got this big pile of stuff here that's got to get put back on the shelves that were moved back in the back corner over here. Got this back corner cleaned up, looking pretty good. It's getting a lot cleaner than it used to be. And it's all leveled out. Got some wood chips thrown down there. This is going to become the workstation once that bloody tree gets out of the way. And we've got some serious solar flares. But that's the way it all works. Everything else is looking pretty good. There's not a whole lot else we can do here this morning. And it's time to get started on the crazy day. Let's go get the Oasis opened up.
Music junkie, and I love every kind. Rhythm for the body and food for the mind. It gets my toes tapping and my fingers snapping time. 'Cause I'm a music junkie, I love words that grind. Just give me a rhythm with a fast tempo, quicken my body and make my blood flow. I need a steady diet to nourish my soul. 'Cause I'm a music junkie, we don't rock and roll. I'm a music junkie, I like that fast beat. Electrifies my body and motivates my feet. It gets my hands a-clapping and my body keeping time. 'Cause I'm a music junkie, that ain't no crime. Just give me a rhythm with a fast tempo to quicken my body and make my blood flow. I need a steady diet to nourish my soul, 'cause I'm a music junkie, we know I'm rock and roll. I'm a music junkie and I don't apologize. Not sophisticated in most of your eyes, but in my way of thinking I'm just as good as you. Now you may like caviar, I like my junkie stew. Just give me a rhythm with a fast tempo to quicken my body and make my blood flow. I need a steady diet to nourish my soul, 'cause I'm a music junkie, we know I'm rock and roll. Just give me a rhythm with a fast tempo to quicken my body and make my blood flow. I need a steady diet to nourish my soul, 'cause I'm a music junkie, we know I'm rock and roll. 'Cause I'm a music junkie, we know I'm rock and roll.